The religion in European Union. The European Union has no formal connection to any religion. The Article 17 of the Treaty on the Functioning of the European Union recognizes the status under national laws of the churches and the religious association as well as that of the philosophical and non-confessional organization. The preamble to the Treaty of the European Union mention the cultural, religious, humanist inheritance of European discussions over the draft texts of the European Constitution, and later the Treaty of the Lisbon includes proposal to mention Christianity or a God or a both in the preamble of the text, but the idea faced opposition and was dropped. Christianity is in the Europe unity are divided among the members of the Catholicism, both Rome and the Eastern Rite. Numerous Protestant dominations and the Eastern Orthodox Church. In 2009, the European Union had an estimated Muslim population of 13 million and the estimated Jewish population of over a million. The other world religions of Buddhism, Hinduism, Sikhism are also represented in the European population. According to the new polls about religiosity in the European Union in 2015, the Eurobarometer, Christianity is the largest religion in the European Union, and according to for 71.6% of the European population, Catholics are the largest Christian groups, accounting for 45.3% of the European population, while Protestant make up 11.1%, Eastern Orthodox make up 9.6%, and other Christians make up 5.6%. Eurostat and the Eurobarometer opinion polls showed in 2005 that the 52% of the European citizens believed in a God, 27% in a some sort of the spirit or a life force, and 18% had no form of belief. Many countries have experienced falling church attendance and membership in recent years. The countries where the fewest people reported a religious belief were Estonia and the Czech Republic. The most religious countries were Malta predominantly, as well as Cyprus and Romania, each with the about 90% of the citizens professing a belief in their respective god. Across the European Union, belief was higher among women, older people, those with the religious upbringing, those who left schools at 15 or 16, and those positioning themselves on the rights of the political scale. Member states. Through the successive enlargement, the European Union, the growth from the six founding states, Belgium, France, Western Germany, Italy, Luxembourg, and the Netherlands, to the current 27 countries accede to the Union by the becoming party to the founding treaties, thereby subjecting themselves to the privilege and the obligation of the European membership. This entails a partially delegation of sovereignty to the institution in return for the representation within those institutions, and a practice often referred to as a pooling of a sovereignty. To become a member, a country must meet to the Copenhagen criteria defined at the 1993 meeting of the European Council in Copenhagen. These require a stable democracy that respects human rights and the rule of law, and functioning market economy, and the acceptance of the obligation of membership, including European laws. Evaluation of the country's fulfillment of the criteria is the responsibilities of the European Council. Articles 50% of Lisbon Treaty provides the basis for a member to leave the Union. Two territories have left the Union. Greenland withdrew in 1985. The United Kingdom formally invoked Article 50 of the Consolidated Treaty on European Union in 2016. They became the only sovereign state to leave when it withdrew from the European Union in 2020. There are six countries that are recognized as the candidate for the membership: Albania, Iceland, North Macedonia, Montenegro, Serbia, and the Turkey. Through the Iceland suspended recognition negotiation in 2013, Bosnia and the Herzegovina and Kosovo are officially recognized as a potentially candidates, with the Bosnia and the Herzegovina having submitted a membership application. The four countries forming the European Free Trade Association are not European Union members but have partially committed to the European economy and regulations: Iceland, Liechtenstein, and the Norway, which are part of the single market through the European economy areas, and Switzerland, which has similarly ties through the bilateral treaties and the relationship of the European microstates. Andorra, and San Marino and the Vatican City include these use of the euro and other areas of the corporations.